This is example number 4, melody number 15 on page 75. Da 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 So this is me practicing for example number 4, I think it is. I don't remember. Melody 22 on page 77. This is the practice that's going into that. So at first, it's clearly in a minor key. There's too many flats for the notes that I'm looking at, like being presented. At best, it's in F minor. You start on F. You don't start on F, but you start the first full measure on F. You end on F. There are E naturals for the Mixolydian, not Mixolydian. I'm so dumb. That's a mode for the melodic minor scale. I had to think about it. Okay. Besides that, the first interval, I don't know exactly what it sounds like. I'm just gonna go with do do. So looking at this, not even using the piano, how I would sing it, just seeing it like this for the first time is like this. Do 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 and that's keeping in mind all the E naturals. There's only 2, but both of the E naturals and the D flats right above the C naturals, which are basically C sharps and like stuff like that. And that's what I was thinking about as I'm going through this, is just looking at specific, skips, if there's any skips, or if most of it is notes that are right next to each other. And then if there are any skips, making sure that the notes aren't really being defined in my head before, I get too ahead of myself. I'm really just, the first thing I'll think about when I see any decent sized skip is, okay, what's the interval? What's the interval going into this? And that will help me to define the note at the top and the bottom, or vice versa of any interval. So, yeah. This is example number 5, melody number 22 on page 78. Do, 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 This is the first assigned example, melody number 2 on page 73. Da 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 da. This is example number 2, melody number 4 on page 73. Do, 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 This is melody number 11 on page 75. Do 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 Example number 6, melody 25 on page 77. Do 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 This is example number 7, melody number 16, line 1 on page 88. Do, 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 do. Same melody, second line. Do, 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 do.